Hey, you going somewhere? How about planning your flight? A little bit of time on the computer is time well spent when it comes to pushing the go button on your aircraft. It's nice to be organized, and it looks really good on paper. You know, the big boys plan their flights. Today I want to show you how to plan egg flights. Superman plans his flights. Of course, they're encrypted. Okay, I will open up some files in Google Earth, and I want to give some thought to the sequence that I might want to spray them in. Then I'll send the files to the folder or USB stick and convert them in SprayView. Once they convert in SprayView, I will open them up, take a look at them, and see how they look. It looks like we're ready to do our flight plan. Before we get started with our flight planning, I would like to note that if you have selected output 3, then you can right-click on a polygon and pull up information about that polygon. And if you have entry new in the folder where you did the conversion, it'll read acres. So go ahead and start the flight planning. Plan egg flights, load area, select all my areas, open. First you have to select an area. We'll just do the very top one, which is this polygon here, and then I will select area info, which tells information about the area, and then we have options: new line heading, best line heading, next side, and reverse heading. This one actually looks pretty good, so I'm not going to change it. And if I don't change it, I don't have to save it. But if I change it, I have to save it. So we'll look at the next one. This one here, we can try next side heading, which runs the grids along the side of the polygon. That looks good, but I would like to have number 1 on the other side, so I'll hit reverse heading. Perfect. Save it. Take a look at the next one. This one, all the polygons lines are generated north-south, and they start left to right, so we'll probably change that. I want to take a little look at Google Earth. This is the polygon here, and right here's some tall buildings, so if I spray to this edge, I'll have a little difficulty clearing the building. So I want to run the lines along this line here, paralleling the road, which will make it better for complaints and a little safer to fly. So I will go new line heading, and I want to parallel that line right there. Good. And I want to start 1 on that side, so that's good. So I'll save that info. And the next one is pretty good, but I'd like to have the line up with this edge here, so I could try best heading. That lets the computer figure it out. That still didn't get where I wanted to go, so I will try a new line. One more time. That looks good, and I'll save it. It's a good idea to go back, just double check, so we'll click on the top one again. Grid lines look good. Second one down, look good. Third one down, that's good. And this is good. Sometimes you forget to click the save button, and so the changes don't really take, but we're good there. So we'll move into the set order. We're going to do number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So I will click on set order, and You have to do this sequence this way. You have to do grid lines first and then set order. So set order, and the first one I want to do is 030. That's number 1. And then 021 is number 2. And 010 is number 3. And 020 is 4. So it's real important. Don't forget to click Finish Order. And then when you click Change Names, you'll see the names change. For example, it'll be 03 underscore. So we do change names, and it's 03 underscore. And we're finished. So we'll save the flight plan. Save it. And we can exit. And it's good just to double check it. So we'll open those again. And we want to do the 1, 2, 3, 4. The grid lines are all as we selected. And that's it. Thank you very much.